Hi, in this video I'll be taking off the door panel on a 2000 Dodge Caravan in order to get at the power window regulator. I'll take the regulator out and put it back in to help anybody who needs to do this rather difficult job.
The last one is a long one.
Now we need to remove a couple of screws on this power button panel, in order to get at a hidden screw underneath.
It's a long screw. That's short. Okay, now we can lift this out. There's a screw right here. Average length screw. Now we can unplug these two. It's got the little red lock in it. Push that through. This car is going to the scrapyard, so I'm not worried about this liner. You need to get the window halfway down. I'm doing a demo here. So I have a battery, and I'm lowering it to where you can get it within range here. This area right here, lower. You have to cut the cable if you have a jammed motor or broken cable. Okay, we have to disengage the glass, and there's these pins right here. You have to get a screwdriver in and pry them out, one on each side, and then you can pry the glass apart from the traveling mechanism here.
A crescent wrench will work pretty good in this job too.
So now you can see the glass is disengaged. If you don't want the glass to fall all the way down, stick a couple of blocks of wood underneath it before you disengage it. Now on this side, as you pry it, hang on to the clip, or it's going to go flying on you. When you put this back in, you're going to slide the window down. You can see that hole in the white piece there. There it comes, it snaps through. And then the pin can go in from there at that point.
It's good to have the glass out of the way when you do the next step, so a couple of clamps will do a fine job of holding it temporarily. I did not try doing this without the clamps, but it may be possible to do it, just a little more difficult. Now we need to unbolt the two rails, held in by T30 screws. You don't need to take these out, just loosen them. The top one I found I had to loosen more, and then these are slotted so that these rails will pull right out as you raise them.
Just loosen them. T30. And the T30s on the door, 3 of them. You have to reach behind here, and there's rubber insulators that are over the nuts that are just going to keep turning. You can't get a hold of the nut until you turn those off. You aren't going to get this out. I turned one off on this one. Here's what it looks like. There's another one. Just have to get the third one off, and then you can actually might be able to pull it right through. Okay, using this in the back to grab hold of it, to grab hold of that rubber grommet on there. We're able to turn this one off. The other three, the grommets came off. There's what it looks like. So now there's some cable holders here, 2 of them. Open those up. Our cable's free, our motor's free.
I experimented around quite a bit to find the best way to remove these rails because they are a little bit awkward. So I'm only showing you what worked best for me.
Let's move the top wheel to the right. The only way I was able to get this off here was to get a very good grip with a vice grip on it, on the rubber portion of it, and then turn it off. M6 thread pitch 1.0.
Replacements are available out there, maybe $30 to $60. Installation on these rails, pretty much the reverse of removal.
It helps if you can get inside here. You can bring it way down and put it up through here like so. Reattach the pins.
Sure the handle and lock are still working right. They are. Well, I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos to come.